Hey everyone, my name's Melroth, and I have some breaking news. Ben Affleck is Batman. Warner Brothers Studios has recently announced that the Oscar-awarded director of Argo will be playing the Dark Knight in the Batman vs. Superman sequel to Man of Steel. Now, back when this was announced at Comic-Con, everyone was excited. It was the highlight of the event. Batman and Superman on screen at the same time? It's never happened. Never. But people now are disgusted by the fact that Ben is playing Batman. And it's relatable if you've seen The Daredevil, which is a Marvel movie that flopped in the box office 10 years ago. But can Ben make a comeback? Man of Steel director Zack Snyder believes so. As he said, his outstanding career is a testament to his talent. Well, what do you guys think? Is Ben's performance going to affect the movie at all? Will DC fans still see this for the sake of a Batman vs. Superman film? Will you? Share your thoughts and subscribe for more. Mel Roth signing off.